My name is Ramil Alsaga Jr. I am 31 years old. I live in Arakan, North Cotabato, Philippines. I am married. I have no children. I am the eldest in the family. I have one sister. I am a college graduate. I am a first timer looking for the job opportunity in Hong Kong. I got my first job experience as a houseboy at D&J Game Farm and Resort from August 2015 until October 2019. I served 4 family members composed of 3 adults and 1 child. And in my second job experience as a houseboy also at Hana's Mountain View Resort, I started November 2019 until February 2025. I served 8 family members composed of 6 adults and 2 children. My duties and responsibilities in my previous jobs are cooking, cleaning, gardening, pet caring, and taking care of a bedridden person. I also maintaining properties and organizing. I take care children by ensuring physical and mental safety. Driving is one of my other skills. I learned how to cook Chinese food by searching on social medias. To my dear future employer, I am a hard-working person and dedicated to my work. If you hire me, I will do my best to do my duty, and I promise to finish my contract and I work with you as long as you need me. I hope you choose me as your houseboy. Thank you and God bless.